Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence takes CJ shopping, real family. Let's get into it.
Promise is good?
Yeah, promises are good. If I promise that, like, I always protect you or always be there for you, that's a good thing, right?
Give mommy kiss. Mommy wanna kiss. Mommy wanna kiss. You're supposed to potty like this, y'all. That's how you get it out. A doodle gonna fall clean out, period.
What's up,
Royal family? We are back with another video for you guys.
Back with another one.
We're vlogging. Well, we're vlogging. Yeah, it's...
Yay! I'm so happy that they're back. Yes, Queen and Clare fans, royal family, Petty fam that likes the royal family. Here we go.
Literally the evening, y'all. We just started vlogging, but I promise you, we're gonna... Oh my God!
That squirrel almost
The
died.
squirrel! A squirrel almost ran onto the road. We're gonna get a full vlog, you guys. The other day we vlogged. I actually had got a new phone, but we never finished it. But as you guys can see, my phone is green. Clarence tried to get one, but I took the last one. Because he already has an iPhone 13. Like, I feel like that would have been a little bit selfish if he would have took it because you want a second phone. So...
Exactly. Give it to Queen. I like it. It's cute.
Let me have the green one, and I finally got the 13. Y'all, it works really good. I'm not gonna lie, the camera's good, but I kind of don't see the difference. I kind of don't. It still works good. I just don't see the difference. But anyway, y'all, we're on our way to go eat some food because I ain't ate nothing all day.
Me neither.
I got home this morning from Philly. I had a show in Philly, and when I came back, we laid in bed.
We got in Philly Petty fam and saw Queen when she was out there. Have y'all seen her on her tour? Let us know.
For a good amount of time, and we're just now finally just getting out the house. The kids were gone throughout the weekend. They're coming back tonight. I know y'all missed them. Y'all gonna get a chance to see them too.
Tell Nick, man.
Monique was saying that she was getting him down from Monique's house. Did you like the car? Today we in the Benz. So y'all, we actually might be getting rid of the Benz soon to get a Tesla.
Hey, we want a Tesla?
We want a Tesla, y'all, and the music is playing, so yeah, I might as well just cut it off.
I told you, once we get in here, it's over.
Cut it off right now.
We'll get like little clips, maybe like fast forward.
Yes, please take the music off.
Yeah. Looking at all these places, y'all, and they got like crepes, this vegan restaurant. That's not vegan. Sure.
This is our restaurant.
Oh, really?
Plant-based.
Go.
Ooh, Jamaican plant-based. Okay, go sis.
Get the filter for us, though.
How you doing? Hi.
Well, we gotta get a good filter.
Ready?
And then a video, real quick. What brings you to Marietta Square Market? To eat. Okay, well, we're home with the vegan.
Sorry, I don't know. I'm hungry.
We're home with the vegan oxtail. So
Oh, okay.
Page Jamaican food.
Y'all in Atlanta? Let me know how it tastes.
Alright, y'all. We don't ever try to talk, but this is what we ended up getting. Clarence
Some
got
Cuban food, man.
cheese sticks, beans.
Cuban food for the win.
Basically, I got the same thing he got, just in a plate.
And she my son.
For a fact, I'm your son, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, and I got a tres leches cake, which I already bit into.
Bit.
Yeah.
Order food?
Yeah. We can't really do a mukbang right now because the music is super loud. We're gonna get copyrighted. Written.
Thank you. We'll see y'all later.
Is it copyrighted or
Already
written?
did. Copywritten.
Alright, so we just gonna eat in fast motion and y'all just gonna watch us eat. And that's it. That's all there is to it.
I just got onions in here. It's that fried Dominican cheese, like Spanish cheese too. Think about it.
It's like a jalapeno popper.
That's the closest thing I've tasted to like raw Spanish food. People must be parking over there. They probably find another parking lot. What?
It's so good. That's good. I never had that. Get the motherfucker. It's like a stuffed cat. A stuffed fat cat. Look.
Alright, we just finished eating. We're a little winded, but
We're like fulfilled.
we got some more things to do. I want to run to Target real quick. We haven't took them to Target in a minute. I just bought this like fire coffee machine, right? So I want to buy like some nice little mugs. It's all about the presentation of things, you know what I'm saying? Like you could have a glass of water or you could have a mason jar of water with a metal straw. You know what I'm saying? Depends on what kind of life you want to live.
Look at you, aesthetic.
You see, I've been eating
Mason jars get sexy. I mean, I'm taking his word for it, you know, but I just remember putting jelly in it. It is, you know, Grandma used to have it. Y'all know. Y'all know. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. You used to drink water. You need a cup, baby. Go ahead, get you a mason jar. Put your stuff in there. You could hold anything in there.
Smoothie bowls? Guess what I just ordered?
What?
Authentic coconut bowls.
Ooh.
Like they're coconuts, but they're made in a bowl.
Ooh.
You feel me? So like they're good for smoothie bowls.
Babe.
You feel me?
But why you getting a mug if you're gonna have iced stuff? You need to get like some kind of glass.
No, it's a smoothie bowl.
No, babe, I'm talking about for the frappuccino. Why you getting a mug if you're gonna have...
Not a mug. I'm gonna get like a mason jar, but like a different kind of... I got this, babe. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Queen right. He getting a real coconut. Everything ain't real. You know, real coconut gonna spoil. But he love it, so we like it. He's supporting you, Clarence.
Hi, Papa Bear. Hi, Papa Bear. Give mommy a hug. Yay. Yay. Give mommy a kiss. Mommy wanna kiss. Mommy wanna kiss. No, I don't want your tongue. Give me a kiss, your real lips. Come here, your real lips. No, not your tongue. Not your tongue. Give me a kiss with your real lips. No, your lips. Lips.
Legend be French kissing girls. He said, I'm past that stage, mama. I don't kiss my mama no more. I got girlfriends.
Thank you, baby. Hi, CJ.
Say cheese with daddy. Cheese. Did daddy get a hug? Can I get a hug? No, I don't want a kiss. Hug. Give me a hug.
It's definitely Ellie.
Get over here, you little girl. What you want? What's that?
Wow.
Oh, he got a fever.
It's hot.
We got a girl here.
His neck is hot.
He might have just got that.
Did you feel sick at Monet's house?
Oh, goodness, CJ. Get better, sweetheart. Poor thing. You know he feel bad if he laying on her.
Did you tell her you feel sick?
You know you feel bad when all you want to do is lay on your mom. Aw, I'm glad Queen hugging him.
What's that? What is it that you want? What's that? That's a Pediasure?
Here.
What you want me to do with it?
BJ's feeling a little sick, y'all.
You want me to put it in a cup?
Hey, go to the bathroom. You don't got to throw up, right? CJ is crying because he's sick.
CJ not feeling well.
He's not feeling good, so I'm going to get him some Motrin. Dang, I'm trying to figure out how many do we got to take. Legend, you want to go to Target? Want to go to Target? You going to feel better, CJ?
A little bit.
No, I'm saying you're going to feel better when you take medicine. It's okay. How was your day today, though, besides you feeling sick?
Good.
It was good? I like your ring.
I went to A.
You what?
Good to A.
We almost fell off.
All right. CJ, do you feel better?
Yeah.
Tell them what you just had. What did mommy give you?
Melatonin?
No, I didn't give you no melatonin.
Oh, I mean,
At home, what I give you first? I gave you Motrin, and then what I give you? Show me.
gave me chewables.
Chewable? What kind of chewable?
Claritin.
Leggy's watching his iPad. What you watching, Leggy? He always watching some learning stuff.
Mommy's
Although he knows all his cool.
100.
Anyway, y'all, Clarence went to go get another basket, y'all, but we are currently in like the home baked plant section because he wants some plants for some reason. I like plants too, but our experience with plants with this little boy is that he would go and pull the dirt and grass out. Like this, he would pull it out. You see? So we gotta get the kind that looks like dirt, but is like cement. If you can't pull it out. What, baby?
My watery, itchy eyes don't feel like it. Alright.
It's going away?
Yeah.
Good. CJ, can you tell him what grade you going to next year?
Second grade.
Oh, you know what? We also got to tell them what happened. What happened, CJ, at school, huh? You wasn't listening? CJ got in trouble for the first time at school, y'all.
Yo, bro, the funny shit just happened to me, bro.
What?
The Target worker noticed me, right? He was like, yo, are you Clarence? But he's talking to me while walking him. So he's like, yo, are you Clarence? That's crazy. Bro, he walks into a whole...
Oh, what?
He walks into a whole like little pillar right here. Like pillar. Oh, a little bad for my man. I know he was embarrassed.
Yeah. I told him that you wanted plants in the house.
Dude, how you guys feel about that?
I want plants. I just told him we can't get the kind with the fake grass because Legend's gonna take it out.
No, we have to get the one with the fake grass.
No. I'm talking about fake grass like this.
Oh yeah.
We gotta get the kind with the fake dirt. Babe, you know what I was thinking? We need a hamper for towels only. Like even when we dry our hands or like just when we're done, we need to just put them in something like that. A nice looking one.
You can leave that in the laundry.
In the laundry room?
Yeah, or in like our room.
In our room somewhere. Because I don't like putting my towels on my laundry. Am I weird for that?
Just throw it right in the laundry room.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. But we're
You right.
looking at this plant right here. This one has like the fake dirt. I don't know what that is.
This gonna fit in the whip?
Yeah, I don't know, honestly. Is it heavy? Oh, it could fit. It's just gonna have to like go across somebody's head.
I can't see while I push this.
Move it to the side. Yeah, like one for our room. But babe, you know those plants that we got on top of where the TV should be in the green room, the green couch room? We have 2 plants already, but you don't like them, do you? We bought them together though. What's up? Does it have fake grass? It's fine.
So this one for the living room, right? Where?
Yeah. In the corner somewhere. So anyway, y'all, we just got a squatty potty. I'm gonna demonstrate to you how you really should sit on the potty. Imagine, right? You sitting on.
I don't know who need to see this video to see how they sit on the potty, but okay, Queen. I think we all got it. I think my petty fam, we know how to do this, but we just gonna watch for supporting you. All right, let's go, girl. How you do it?
The toilet? Well, the toilet would never be this low, of course, but when you sitting on the toilet, I literally found out that the real way to release your poop,
You gotta put your feet up.
put your feet up. The toilet would probably be what? More like this size?
I just said, you gotta listen to it. That's
What?
a shower seat.
I know, but it would be more like this size.
Yeah,
the toilet.
probably.
So like, imagine this the toilet. Is this tall enough for a toilet?
It'll be taller.
No, wait. My legs need to go like this. I don't know if this is the one. But yeah, anyway, you're supposed to potty like this, y'all. That's how you get it out. Because when you sit like this, your body is like not angled the right way. When you sit like this, a doodle won't. So I'll clean out, period. Dookie butt. Clarence is looking at these plates. He's smiling about this plate. He's like, I love this plate. What would you have in this plate?
Like rice, chicken. You got some rice.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Spam, babe. We gotta cook the spam.
Nah, I ain't got spam. Spam is in my life.
Turkey
Yo,
spam.
comment in the comment section right now. I'll be like,
No, Clarence. Spam is so bad. Spam is probably from 1962 and been on the shelf that long, and it still is the same as it was when it was made. It's not real ham, or at least it's real ham that's been permanently damaged by chemical salt and all that mess. Do not eat spam.
spam. I grew up on spam.
Oh, and then we found,
get these?
yeah, we found these glasses right here because we're gonna go home and try to make a frappuccino. We got the Starbucks because we drink almond milk and oat milk. We got this one, caramel macchiato, and then I got the almond milk vanilla. I wanted to get the sweet cream, but it was like as big as the other one, and I don't have 2 big foams in the house. I don't even know if I'm gonna drink it that much. And then Clarence had got this. It's sugar free. He didn't know that it was sugar free, but we probably need it anyway. And then so far we got these 2 plants right here. One is gonna go in the living room, one is going to go in our room, and then I got this. You see this little thing right here, this wooden thing? I don't like to put our dirty towels or our dirty laundry, like dirty clothes. So yeah, and this is the squatty potty, so we can have better bowel movements. Oh wait, babe, these are it. These are straws you're talking about? These is fire. Ooh.
They got colors on it.
It's fine. We got metal straws. Cool. And then we got these pillows to go downstairs on the couch. Not the living room, but the basement living room. And look, y'all.
They don't got it in these blocks.
Oh, you want a whole set?
Like I thought that's what
It looks like they do. Look, they probably don't then. Y'all, this right here, I'm about to see how this works tonight. The kids have school tomorrow, and this is a sleep bath. We're going to see if this makes them fall right out and go to sleep. We're going to test it.
expensive. I think on Amazon these things.
Yeah, Amazon is stuff you really can't find. Don't
These are
settle.
serving trays. So like you have your burger right here, fries, and you just eat it like that.
Clarence, you've been watching too much TikTok. Like, too much. But I get it. It is fire. I'm not gonna lie. If our tub worked,
Normal plate.
I would be sitting in the bathtub with the bubbles, and I would have that little thing across where you could put like the candle, the drink. But our tub is not working. I don't know why.
$30 is pretty expensive for a serving tray.
Yeah.
How Amazon everything go.
Yeah. We out. Deuce Target, period. Legend said we out. We out. Okay. This is me. This is the old me. It ain't nothing wrong with
Queen
this
wants
dress.
to get this dress.
I think it will
Not a
look cute
big
on
fan
me.
of it, but
Every now and then, the old me wants to pop out a little bit. Remember that
No, say no to the dress.
yellow dress I wore when we was at the pool in the back of your uncle's house?
No.
You remember when you told me to come out my shell?
yeah.
Remember that dress I wore, that
Do
yellow
I have
dress?
to tell you to do that again?
No, because
Okay.
I know. What? What?
I said okay.
Don't get slapped in the store. Lucky for you, it's not in here. I don't see it.
It's sold out.
It's sold out because it's so cute. 1 second, hold on.
I'm sorry.
Make sure you help with the groceries.
I'm walking. I can't even see in front of me. I don't even know how we gonna drive home with these things. This, we have to fold it.
Dig in your butt, huh?
Yeah. Digging in his booty hole. This is supposed to fit in this car right here.
That's the front of the car. Want to tell me what you're doing?
Boxing little machine.
This is the Nespresso that he got, and it comes with 2 glasses or 2 mugs.
I found it on sale at Target. This shit usually like $2 something, I think.
How much was it?
$170.
Here. A coffee maker.
Coffee maker? Can I have some?
I don't know if kids can have coffee.
Why?
Not good for kids. Too strong for kids.
Kids have coffee.
How's it too strong?
You don't need all that caffeine.
But ginger ale has coffee.
Yeah, that's why you don't drink that.
You don't drink soda. I only give you it, like, literally. I never really give you it. I only gave you it twice. Leggy, be careful, Papa.
I'm glad he's feeling better.
Here, mommy, make the seat go down. Got it? All right, so this is what it is. When he gets done unboxing it, I guess we'll show y'all how it looks.
I think I'm done. I got a matte color. Okay.
Wait, why you sweating?
Feel it. I'm hot.
That's good hat.
That's nice.
Oh, feels good. I put that plant over there, but I know we're not gonna use it. I know he's probably not gonna keep this house, but y'all, I'm gonna get a rug. I don't care. A rug and at least a picture over there. At least for the remainder of our time. Go show what you can do, CJ. Go over there and flip.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, go. And show you see his full bit.
Do I hand it for you?
Yeah, go ahead. But don't break your arm. Cool.
I'm not gonna break my arm. It's too strong to break my arm.
Period. Legend. You ready to go to sleep? You ready to take a BATH? No? Okay. Y'all, today I have on this blue thing. They told me to wear these pink low dumps. And I matched it up with this little pink fuzzy Von Dutch purse that I got a long time ago, but it actually went. And it's like I was a walking cotton candy, period. Currently, CJ and Clarence are telling me to take down my butt pictures that I have on the fridge. And let me tell you a little story behind it. I bought this picture on Etsy thinking that it was an actual picture and it had a frame. Come to find out, I just bought the paper to put it in a frame.
Why would you want to frame it?
I wanted to frame it above the toilet because different butts sit on the toilet. But it's kind of cute. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Don't
Oh,
worry.
this is your boy. Or
Where's my butt? Point to my butt. Oh, that's my butt.
I think that's Tisha's butt.
Tisha's butt. All right, y'all. So it is the next day. Last night we came home. Clarence unboxed the Nespresso thing, and I'm about to go to facial. The kids are currently at school and daycare. But let me tell y'all something. When I bathed them with that Dr. Teal Sleep Body Wash, they was knocked out. Like, so it really works. So any mamas out there that don't want to give your kids melatonin, get the Dr. Teal's Kids 3-in-1. But I'm about to go to the facial. I don't know if I'm about to record it because I'm trying to see all my pimples. These are really dark marks, to be honest. I'm thinking about getting a chemical peel, but I don't know yet. Because I just have so much coming up in June, especially like BET Awards and things like that. And I just want my skin to be chef's kiss.
Congratulations, Queen.
It's like under my makeup. But I just had to give y'all an update. Clarence will probably be up here next trying to make Frappuccino, or he should just wait till I get back home. But this is how it looks, and I'm assuming that you put, wait a minute. Okay, see y'all soon. I'm
Hi, it's your boy. I just came downstairs. I built a hamper, by the way. I just want you to know.
I know,
That's what
I
I was
seen
doing.
it. I seen the bag. I seen the box.
That's what I was doing. But she's down here.
Basically, I'm about to make
chicken.
some homemade McDonald's chicken nuggets the healthier way.
Okay.
I seen it on TikTok, so I know the kids love nuggets. I want to stop giving them like processed nuggets.
We was talking the other day, and we were just gonna try to,
Do stuff home cooked.
Cause we can't be over here going to the gym eating all healthy, and the kids is eating like
Processed food.
processed.
But
You know what I'm
since
saying?
they
But
love
we
nuggets
taking
so
time
much.
out. Yeah, but they love nuggets, so they about to start getting homemade nuggets. You know what I'm saying?
They like ground turkey tacos, so I'm gonna try to add this to the list.
And me, we're about to run the dicks.
Babe, why you say it like that? We're about to run the dicks.
Me and CJ, Me and CJ is about to go to dicks real quick. Pause. All the pauses
run
out.
dicks.
We're about to run the dicks real quick because I seen CJ upstairs bouncing the basketball. He was talking a little trash, saying he could beat me. So I told him I'm gonna personally go buy a basketball court. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put it in the front, and I'm gonna cook him. And I'm gonna cook him. I'm gonna have to show him because he be thinking he be beating his friends at school, and you know his friends at school is not as athletic as me. Do you know what I'm saying? His friends at school is not really fucking with me. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta humble him. I feel like that's my job in this household. You know what I'm saying? When the legend, his time is gonna come, I'm gonna have to humble him one day. You know what I'm saying? But that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah. Are you gonna vlog at all? Are you gonna do that process or?
I have a camera.
Oh, I bet. So I'll take this one. All right. I see you. Yo, CJ. Where's this kid?
CJ!
Yes.
Everybody calling this kid. Come on. You got your sneakers? Show him your jersey and stuff. You think you're a basketball player. That's why we're going to get a hoop. So I could humble him. Do you think you could beat me in basketball?
Yes, I can.
You see?
Yeah, so Clarence just went and left. I want to show you guys how I'm gonna make these nuggets. So right now, we need a new blender because this just ain't working. Right now, I am blending up ground chicken, organic ground chicken, egg, and some salt and pepper right now. That looks pretty disgusting, but when you think about it, this is how it looks at McDonald's. It just stopped. What the heck? Hold on. This is also how it looks when McDonald's is making it as well. Let me shake it up. Ew, this is disgusting. All this meat in here. Ew.
Alright, yeah, so we're on our way to Dick's real quick. We're gonna do this. What you know that word? Well, you don't know that word. Get out of here. You're too young for that. I'm talking about Dick's Sporting Goods. The store.
Oh.
Yes, where you go buy sports equipment. But we're here, you know what I'm saying? What we're going to get? Tell the people.
A basketball room.
He said, take me to the academy.
And a basketball.
Mm-hmm. Why are we getting one?
Because I'm going to beat you.
Yeah, right. You know what I'm saying? He truly believes that. I don't think he knows. You see the
I'm Team CJ. I think he gonna beat you.
world knows how good I am. I don't think you know how good I am.
Yes, I do.
Where you saw me play at?
Wait, face right game.
Okay, you seen that? Okay, I remember you did go to that.
And Mr. Beast beat you.
No, I won. Mr. Beast was on my team. You know what I'm saying?
Face rub.
No, I won. FaZe Rug lost. Me and Ace Family won. We beat Chris Brown, FaZe Rug.
Kiss Brown?
Yeah, you was there. You met all these people.
Oh, yeah.
You was just young.
When I was 3?
Yeah, you was Legends age. But I just want you to promise me one thing. If I buy this hoop, I want you to play on the hoop. And I want you to try your best
I'm going to play it on the...
to get good. I want you to play basketball. All right? You got to stay committed and play basketball and get better.
I'm already better.
No, you're going to have to get better. I'm telling you. Once you step on the court with me, you're going to know that, yeah, I got to get better. You know what I mean? But promise me, all right? Say, I promise I'm going to play basketball, I get better. Say it. I want to hear you say it.
Basketball. Red.
Why you all nervous in front of the camera? Don't be nervous. You're a star, kid.
I'm not nervous.
You just don't want to play basketball? Yeah, so why is that hard for you to promise?
I don't know.
Promises are good. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, promise is good?
Yeah, promises are good. If I promise that, like, you know, I always protect you or always be there for you, that's a good thing, right? I just want you to stay dedicated to it. You know what I'm saying? I remember you wanted to dance. Remember? Now you don't like dancing like that. Now you want to be a ninja, right? Yeah, see? Things change, but, you know, sometimes when you stick to things, you become great at it. You feel me? Like your mom. Look at your mom. Your mom is a great singer. You know why? Because she's been singing for so long.
For 26 years?
Yeah, she's been singing for mad long, so she's good. She's great at singing. You know what I mean? You could be a really great basketball player. You know who LeBron James is?
Yes.
That's the jersey you got on right there. You could be better than him if you do it every day.
Big CJ.
Yeah, I'm saying he did Space Jam. Remember we watched that movie?
But it's LeBron 33.
Yeah. So you talking about his number or his age?
His age.
Yeah, he's like 34 or something like that, 35. He's old. That's what I'm saying. It got to be someone new. It could be you. Be someone better than him. This kid don't want to play basketball. We're going to see. We're almost there. We're going to turn the camera on when we get there. Holla at y'all. Say holla at y'all.
Holla at y'all.
Alright, y'all, so now that I got them shaped, I took them out because I struggled, so I ain't show y'all that part. But I took them out and I shaped them. Some people say put them in the fridge or the freezer so they could like stay solid or whatever. But I'm gonna just skip that part because I'm like impatient. And hopefully this stays like how it is. And I'm going to dip these in cornstarch, like lightly cornstarch, and then put it over into this batter I made with just half a cup of flour, half a cup of water, and then 1 egg. And then these are the seasonings I use. So I use garlic powder, onion powder, salt. Oh, I didn't use this. Some paprika for color and black peppers. So we're gonna see how it comes out. I'm going to fry it in avocado oil because it's healthier, but let's get started.
We're here, y'all. Nope. We're here. Thank you. I don't know.
I love his jersey, Big CJ. Aw, and Queen over here helping us how to make nuggets. You know how much nuggets cost now? She's saving us all some money. Thank you, Queen.
What that is, boy.
No, this. Look.
What dance is that? What dance is that? I don't know that dance. You created that? You ain't created that. You be skiing it. I see the hoops from here. Hopefully they got some for sale. All right, yeah, so we're here with the basketball courts, but I don't know. I've never bought a basketball court. I've always wanted to, but where do you get them? Like, I thought there would be like some boxes right here. No shits is not even portable. I need one of these.
Let's see if I can touch it.
Oh, you touched the net.
Yeah.
I dunk on you on this.
Huh?
Can't dunk it. Can't dunk. Look at this. If I make this, we don't get no basketball hoop.
Nope. If I make this, we get a basketball hoop.
All right, if you miss, we gotta leave. Oh. Okay. All right, one more time. If I make this, we don't get one. Okay.
And if I make this, we had to.
Okay, let's get it out there. All right. I guess we're getting one. Cool.
Oh, go CJ. See, he ain't taught you today. 2 for 2.
Alright, y'all, so currently these nuggets are frying in avocado oil. This is a 5-piece. I'm gonna flip them soon. Let me see how it looks if I flip it. And y'all, excuse my kitchen because like I usually clean after I cook. I don't clean as I cook because I'm gonna burn stuff. I'll put this one in here first, so let me see if it works. Oh no. Oh shoot, okay. Almost. I'm so curious to know how it's gonna look. These are some humongous nuggets, but you know, I guess I'm gonna just keep flipping them. Alright, y'all, I'll be back once they're a little bit more golden brown.
How much is it? It's $20.
It's $20.
How much is that?
500.
What's 20 plus 599?
$520.
Oh, so
That's $520. What are you about to ask? Go ahead, ask it.
can I have it?
We'll talk about it.
Alright, y'all, this is how they look. These are pretty big. I'm still waiting. These like some freaking biscuits.
Those are nice, though.
Are they gonna go down? They feel a little swollen. I don't even know, y'all. Did I do something wrong? What did I do? Hold on, let me try it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm not super excited to try this because they look so big. Yeah, I don't know. Let me get a knife and cut into it and see how it looks. Let's choose this one. This is how it looks on the inside. It's a pretty big nugget. I'm a little nervous to try this side. Maybe I put too much cornstarch. It's not bad. Could have been seasoned more, but I didn't do that much because kids, you know, need some barbecue sauce. Let me see what'll happen if I air fry these real quick. Hold on.
All right, yeah, so we grabbed the hoop. Now this kid, what you asking for? Show the people. And why you want that for?
To play basketball.
But I thought you wanted the jersey.
I can get the jersey of this.
Oh, so you're saying you want one of those things?
No, you said you thought I could get the jersey.
No, but you asked for a jersey earlier.
Oh, yeah. But
We gotta get a basketball.
He's so cute. Get them both.
so, I'm not.
Yeah, go talk to the people. Tell them, because sometimes when you talk to them and tell them what you want, you get what you want. So ask him. Tell him what you really want. Like, what's the dilemma?
I really want the jersey because
Put it on your face. Wait. Tell him.
I really want the jersey because that dress go on your arm and the jersey goes on your whole body like this one.
So why do you need both though? Why do you need a jersey and an arm sleeve?
Because I'm gonna play basketball.
And you want to look like a basketball player?
Because I am.
Okay.
That's why.
Go ahead. Grab your arm sleeve. Grab your arm sleeve, man. Make sure you get your size.
What size is this? Because look,
You gotta get small.
What is this? Oh, this one is a small thing.
That's a headband. This is a large. Get a one smaller. And
What?
go pick out a jersey. I'm telling you, this kid is the funniest kid in the world. What jersey you about to pick out?
LeBron James.
So you're a LeBron James fan. Since when are you a
Yay! I'm glad you got both.
LeBron James fan? I don't think they got your size, bro.
Oh, this is my
It's too
size.
big.
This is my size right here.
You're a small right here. That's way too big, bro. You gotta stick with the kid jerseys over here. Yeah, you gotta get one of these. Oh, they might not have it, bro. Oh, they got LeBron right here.
LeBron James. That's it.
This looks really big. Nah, too big, bro. The only one oh, what's this? Oh, it's Anthony Davis. This is more like your size, right? Look, you see that? How that's gonna fit you? That's gonna fit you good.
I'll get it.
The purple one's too big. You want Anthony Davis?
Yeah. Is he good?
He's on the Lakers. How you don't know who he is?
I know, but is he good?
Yeah, he's amazing.
I'll get it.
Do they have Trae Young jersey? No, they don't. This might be a little too small on you. Try this on. I'm gonna be one of them hood dads. This might be too small on you, bro.
Let me try. Hold up.
You might have to get a different player. Is it because you like the purple? Like the Lakers? You like the Lakers?
Yeah, but is it too good?
Oh, it's good. It fits you. You want it?
Yeah.
Look at yourself. Alright, yo, come on. Let's get it. Are you happy?
Watch out for CJ. He gonna be on a college team as soon as he get finished with high school. Or he don't even have to finish high school. He can just go right to the pros. Ow.
Happy with all your stuff?
Yes. What?
There's one thing you're missing.
What?
What does every basketball player need in his life? You got your basketball, you got your NBA sleeve, you got your jersey. What else a basketball player needs? No, you got your hoop. We got the hoop already.
Oh, the tights.
No.
They need the shoes?
Come on, man. Oh, man. You need some basketball shoes. Let's go.
I already have basketball.
You don't got no basketball shoes. What basketball shoes you got? Yeah.
Oh, that's the shoes.
This is Paul George right here. Paul George shoes. His shoes? Oh, these is fire.
Is that empty?
No, this Pumas. This is LeBron's shoe right here.
That's LeBron James shoes.
Yeah.
What about Steph Curry's shoes?
Steph Curry's shoes was over there. You want Steph Curry's shoes?
Yeah, I
Let's
like
do it.
Steph Curry.
Let's do it then. Let's go, Steph.
Wait, over here?
You're gonna need a cart for all the stuff you got. Come on, man. You want all this stuff, you gotta carry it. You ain't matching at all on the side.
Huh?
You don't gotta match.
That's what. Yeah, these two.
You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
I see why you like them though.
Why?
They like bright, right? You like bright colors. They kind of remind me like of my sneakers, like the color. Want them? You go run in them? Run over there. You really listen. All right, that felt good? All right, bro, come on.
So update y'all. We got Legend eating the nuggets that mommy made, but under one condition. I have to play the oh no game with him. You ready? This is how we play the oh no game. Ready? Oh no! The chicken nuggets fly into Legend's mouth. Wow! Ah! And that's how he eats the nugget, y'all. And then I gotta say, oh no, it's gonna chew it and go down to your stomach. Oh no! So that's how I gotta get him to eat it, y'all. Now I will say this is my first time making them. They could have been more flavorful, but I didn't want to do too much like salt for the kids. But you know, it ain't to my liking, so I'm gonna have to put some salt with it. But we're gonna get CJ to try when he get back home.
What'd you say?
Panda Express, you mean?
You still want Panda Express? You can't get enough of Panda?
No, I'm never gonna be tired of it. Never.
How much you love it?
All the way to infinity.
You better be hooping for all this stuff. Hooping.
I can slam dunk.
You can't slim, though.
For the basketball hoop, we offer that too for $60.
If something happens to it, for how
Basketball
long?
hoop, $60 for 1 year, $90 for 2 years.
It's okay. I don't need warranty on anything. You can take it off the basketball.
Total's gonna be $850, $856.
Okay. Because CJ's taking a long time. He wanted to put his stuff on already. It came with 2 sleeves. One was a small, one was a medium. They're arm sleeves, but it was too big, so he put on his leg, which looks fire, man. That looks pretty fire. I told you, put it on opposite. Look at yourself. Okay. This kid's fiending. But where we at? Tell the people where we at.
Panda Express.
Whose favorite spot is that?
Mine.
That's my favorite spot, fool. We at Panda, y'all. What you about to get?
Or chicken and rice and a lemonade.
He gets the same thing every time.
Michael Jordan, the second best player in basketball.
He's the first. He's the best player ever.
I thought Kobe was.
To me, he is, but you can't disrespect Michael Jordan and what he's done.
So you got the basketball too?
Yeah, he got a bunch of stuff.
So we was to reveal the thing, but it was too late, and I had to go to school tomorrow.
Yeah, it's way too late, guys. I was gonna try to build that in time. I knew it wasn't.
He said it was gonna take 3 hours to do it by himself.
When I was in there at the store at like 8, I'm like, it's gonna be too late for you to play.
Who are you?
CJ, I'm not building that, baby. That's a lot.
I don't think that.
Trust me, you'll be able to.
I don't think I have the patience for that. You gotta get the guy. I'll pay him.
Yeah, Clarence, he'll build things in the house, but as far as building it,
Look at this. How many things?
yeah, you was not gonna be able to build this.
Like, it's a lot, y'all. You feel me? These are all the screws that go in.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm not about to sit here and do that. Like, I can't.
Yeah. Alright, CJ, let's show them your jersey and stuff.
Remember when he built the kid cars? You could do it, Claire.
What you got? So you can go to sleep.
You don't gotta show it again.
Oh, he already showed it? Alright, you wanna tell them good night?
Good night, guys. Can I show you again?
You wanna show them one more time?
Oh, good night, CJ. He going to school, y'all.
Yeah.
Go ahead, just show it to him.
I got Anthony Davis jersey, and I got basketball shoes. I
Show the
got
shoes. So super bright. I know what you can wear tomorrow. Wait, you ain't gonna be able to wear them shoes with that jersey.
but can I still wear the jersey?
Yeah, you can wear the jersey, and I'll get you some shorts and a white tee. Don't put that knife in your head. Tell them good night.
Good night.
All right, y'all. I thought that we were gonna make
I do not want no coffee.
frappuccinos, but we're gonna just try that another time. I'm gonna drink
Try it tomorrow morning.
I'm gonna drink some smooth move tea so I can boo boo in the morning.
Gang shit.
Yeah, that's about it. We gonna just the nuggets. Legend ate the nuggets. He thought they were disgusting.
Free YSL.
I'm not gonna lie. I mean, free YSL since they think I'm in it. Yeah, chicken nuggets.
Yeah, the chicken nuggets is not it. It was not it at all.
But it really wasn't for him. It was really for Legend to eat, and Legend ate them all. But
Right, it was for the kids. And don't be spreading rumors about Queen.
here's the thing. Next time
So you had to force him.
I'll make him small. No, I had.
Sorry.
He still ate it and swallowed it.
Sorry.
I'm gonna make him better next time.
Why you messing with her? She already said. She had disclaimer. She said they for the kids.
Yo, y'all know Queen can throw down, but that just wasn't it. I ain't gonna lie. CJ, what'd you give me?
A 4 out of 10.
That is nasty. 4 out of 10. Man. I wouldn't eat any restaurant that's rated 4 out of 10. Imagine that.
Yeah, so that was terrible, y'all. So I will be working on my nuggets, and maybe the next time y'all see us, we can do the Frappuccino stuff. But peace. Okay, all right. Sex, money, murder. Yeah.
Hey, whoa, whoa.
What? You the one that's doing the slack stuff.
What does that have to do with anything else? All right.
Peace out.
I'll let y'all. Love y'all.
Oh, that was great. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.